Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are having another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we have to evaluate expression 1 minus y over x whole power 100 plus x over y minus 1 whole power 100. And known equation is x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0, where x and y cannot be equal to 0. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to E. Now we will write the given equation x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. Now I will divide this equation by y square both sides. So we can write here x square over y square plus y square over y square plus xy over y square equal to 0. Now we can cancel y with 1 power of y in the denominator. Y square will be over. So we'll write 1 here. So I can write x over y whole square plus 1 plus x over y equal to 0. Or I can write our quadratic in x over y will be x over y whole square plus x over y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is quadratic. We can use quadratic formula. So if I will compare our equation with ax square plus bx plus c, then we can write a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 1, and c will be 1. So we can calculate x over y using quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values. So I will write minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times 1, which is 4, over 2 times 1, which is 2. This will give us minus 1 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. Now these are two cube roots of unity. So I will consider omega and omega square. So if x over y is omega, then y over x will be 1 over omega, which we can write omega square over omega cube. Now we know the properties of cube root of unity. First one is omega cube equal to 1. And second one is 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So we will use these results, these properties. So here I can write omega square by 1. So we will write omega square. And if x over y will be equal to omega square, if x over y equal to omega square, then y over x will be 1 over omega square. Again we will multiply numerator denominator by omega. We will get omega over omega cube, which is omega over 1 or omega. So our equation is symmetrical. I will consider x over y is omega and y over x is omega square. No need to consider the second case or second solution set. Now I will write our required expression E. This will be equal to 1 minus y over x whole power 100 plus x over y minus 1 whole power 100. Let us write our given equation once. X square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. Now I will subtract 3xy from both the sides. Minus 3xy, minus 3xy. So we will get LHS x square plus y square minus 2xy. This will be equal to minus 3xy, or I can write x minus y whole square. This will be equal to minus 3 times xy. Now I will divide this equation by x square and by y square. So let me write here x minus y whole square over x square will be equal to minus 3xy over x square, and here I will divide both sides by y square. So we will write y square, this will be equal to minus 3xy over y square. So I can cancel x with x, y with y, and I will write here x minus y over x whole square. This will be equal to minus 3y over x. Here I will write x minus y over y whole square will be equal to minus 3x over y. Or we can split numerator, we can write 1 minus y over x whole square will be equal to minus 3 times y over x. And here I will write x over y minus 1 whole square will be equal to minus 3x over y. Now our condition was x over y is omega, y over x is omega square. So I will write here this would be minus 3 omega square and this would be minus 3 omega. Let us evaluate our expression. So I will write our expression, which is written here also, equal to 1 minus y over x. I will put power 2, then I will write power 50. 2 times 50 is 100 plus x over y minus 1. I will put power 2 and then we will put power 50. As we know, 1 minus y over x whole square is minus 3 omega square, and x over y minus 1 whole square is minus 3 omega. So our expression will be, I will write minus 3 omega square whole power 50 plus minus 3 omega whole power 50. Now we can use exponent law. We can write minus 1 power 50 times 3 power 50 times omega square power 50 plus minus 1 power 50 times 3 power 50 times omega power 50. Now minus 1 power even, value will be 1, value will be 1. 3 power 50 is common, so we will write 3 power 50 common. In the bracket, this would be omega square power 50, which is omega power 100 plus omega power 50. Now we can write this will be equal to 3 power 50. In the bracket, we will write omega power 99 times omega plus omega power 48 times omega square. Now we can write 3 power 50. Omega power 99 can be written as omega cube whole power 33 times omega plus omega cube whole power 16 times omega square. Now omega cube is 1, so this is 1, this is also 1. We will get 3 power 50 common. in the bracket omega plus omega square, which is minus 1. So we will get our answer minus times 3 power 50. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.